What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre with another video for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because it's going to be jam-packed, full of value. And today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 websites that you can sell your knowledge, you can sell your online courses on. So don't think that you don't know a lot. There's a lot of people watching this video right now. You know a lot. So I'm going to share with you how you can compile your own knowledge and sell it, because there's people online that will buy your product, that will buy your services, that will invest into your business just from what you know. So for example, what if you're good in cooking or sewing or knitting, or you have a skill set in, let's say, computer writing, you have a subject that you're good at and you want to put it in compile it into a digital product. Maybe it could be Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. You know something that someone out there is looking for that information. So I'm going to share with you these 5 platforms that you can sell your products on, because it's a great way how you can make passive income. It's a great way how you can even make money, where you can use that money and invest it into something else. So this is a great way how to make money. These are the 5 websites that you can create your own ebook, videos, or knowledge. So put it together. So I'm going to jump into things right away. So the very first website, it's called Teachable.com. Teachable is a great place that you can go. You could create an account, you could sign up, and you can go ahead and share your knowledge. Right, and you can get reward just like it says here. So if you're experienced in a specific, I'm sure there's a lot of people in here. Do remember, there's people out there that will buy, let's say, a course on how to electrical, right? Electrical, plumbing, all that type of stuff. Fishing. There's people that would actually buy that type of stuff. So you can go on here, create your product, and you can all get it set up. You can probably sell it on here, or you can put it on a different platform and sell it. But I know Teachable is a great way to create platforms. And Pat Flynn, if you guys don't know what Pat Flynn is or who Pat Flynn is, he's a smart passive income guy. Great guy. So make sure you check that out as well, all right? So the next place that you can go to Udemy.com. I'm sure you probably heard about Udemy before. If you're not, you can go on here and you can put your business up on here and people will buy it. So if you look through here, look at all the different things that you can put your knowledge in. Teaching academics, right? Test prep, teacher, trainer, language. There's online education, science, math, engineering, lots of different things. IT software. So if you know IT, this is great. Personal development, why not? Create a course, marketing, tons of different things. So that's another website. The next website is called Skillshare.com. So Skillshare.com. And over here, it's the same thing. This has a kind of look of like Fiverr, Upwork kind of look. But if you go through here, you'll see there's different people on here that are actually using their knowledge. They're putting their knowledge out there and people are actually buying. So you can become a teacher if you want, which is great. And of course, right here, get premium, get 3 months of premium for just $99. So let's say $3. So you can click there and redeem your coupon and all that kind of stuff. Kajabi is another great one where you can upload your courses. So you can sign up for free and get things started. If you look down here, you probably notice that you've seen some of these people before. I know Billie Jean, Brandon, Amy. These people are great. I don't know the other 2 people, but yeah, check out this website. And number 5 website that you can go to digitalchalk.com. So Digital Chalk, you can sell your courses. They have pricing here, features, training staff, So pricing, initially $10 a month. So if you want to create something and sign up for $10 a month just to sell your books and all that kind of stuff, why not? You're making an investment. You're starting a business. It's going to cost you one way or the other, right? So this is, if paid annually, $10. Monthly, $15. Wow, that's impressive. So sign up for these places if you guys want to create your own digital course. I just wanted to shoot this video to let you know that there's multiple different platforms out there that you can use. And on this channel, I talk about how to make money online, entrepreneurship, and how to find better ways. You guys looking for my #1 recommendation, of course, check out the link down below. Like, subscribe, give this video some love. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. All right? Talk to you soon. Peace.